Okay, so we are in the backyard again, working with the trellis. I've got this is going to be a frame for our 40% shade cloth that's going to go over and up above the porch. I'm going to pilot drill these. I've got that marked on center, make sure it's square. I've got this one square to this end. I'll square that one to that end. This right here is going to go up on top of the roof. It's going to be right about in line here. Use a method not to destroy the roof or poke any holes in it, but I will take a method to actually secure that down and keep it from going. What we've got going is we've got the little bungee ball cord thingies, the loops with the ball on it. We've got one every other one. They did not send us enough to do every single grommet. I'm trying to get this laid over the end, and then I'm going to tighten this and screw this in with a Craig screw right up here on the end. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, and up. Okay. Pick it up again. Okay, so this is modification number 2. What we have is we have a 10-foot board across there that matches this 10-foot run here across this space all the way from side to side. I have 8-foot boards all the way out to that. As you can see, what I did, the 6-degree angle here that brings that down to the roof right on top of the beam that's underneath that awning, all the way down through there. But I recessed that 10-foot, the same 6-degree I notched out of the end of those 2x4s, recessed that 2x4 all the way up in there, okay? That's what I wanted to do. Okay, everybody, thanks again for watching the video. We appreciate everybody out there. If you like what we're doing, leave us a like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave those too. We appreciate you watching our channel here at Fab and Build, where creativity meets reality. We'll see you next time.